Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stack publisher account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a Substack subscriber? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove one of your subscribers in Substack anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through Substack, you know that sometimes your subscribers write back with a nasty message, so sometimes it's better to go ahead and just delete them from your subscriber list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stack account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to delete or remove one of your subscribers, here on this top menu, you're going to click on subscribers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different subscribers that you have. You can see I just have 2 in this particular account, and you need to scroll to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see all of the subscribers that you have. So you can see I have 2, so I can go ahead and just simply choose one of the subscribers. If you have a huge list of subscribers, you can easily just type in their name right here and filter that out. Once you found the contact that you'd like to remove from your Substack, there's 2 different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is off to the right of their name. You're going to see these 3 dots. You just click there, and then you can click on remove from list. If you're going to remove multiple subscribers or contacts, you can click on the box next to their name like this, and just keep choosing all of the subscribers you want to delete. Once you've chosen everybody, go ahead and click on these 3 little dots that are going to appear up here next to email, and then you're going to click on remove. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this warning right here letting you know you're about to remove contacts from your Substack list. Now, they do let you know that if any of these folks have a paid subscription with you, they're going to be issued a prorated refund. After that, they're going to be removed from the list. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on remove email. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we have removed that contact from my Substack list, so they will no longer be included in any of my communications. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in your Substack account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.